Yeah, oh yeah. Good day, everybody. This is Samsung M33. The phone was bought dead, and I tried to charge it. It's not drawing any ampere. It's not showing any sign of charging. The person said the phone just off. No any sign of charging. Watch closely and see what I will do. Phone is not charging. It's completely dead. This is my multimeter. I have to disconnect the battery. Measure the battery terminal, battery connector from the motherboard. Try to measure the positive and the negative. I then discovered that the battery connector is short. That is the VBAT. The VBAT line, the primary line is short. I first disconnect the screen to be sure if the short is coming from the screen or the subboard. Same thing, is still short. Do you know that sometimes the screen can cause the phone to be short because it's connected to the subboard? So I have to disconnect it to be sure. So I discovered that the VBAT line is short. That's the primary line. It's short to ground. Look at it, it's shorted. Shorted VBAT line. So now sit comfortable and watch how I'm going to solve this problem. Please, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and get first-hand solution to every problem. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and click the like button and the notification bell. Thank you. So I will need to connect wire or LED to the VBAT line, VBAT test points. That is the positive side of the battery. I have to connect it to that side and connect it to my DC power supply. Watch carefully. Please, if you have any question, please do well to ask. I have to connect it to ground, and when I touch the VBAT line, the VBAT positive line, I discovered that this other side is getting hot. As you can see, this side is very, very hot. Very, very hot. So there's a high chance that there's a voltage leakage. There's a leakage there. Something is happening that makes that place to be hot. That means either the capacitor is damaged or one of the components is damaged or the IC is damaged. So let's sit well and see the problem. So I just felt that that place is getting hot, which is not supposed to be so. So definitely that means that side is faulty. There's a problem somewhere there. So after removing the flex shield, I have to cut that segment, and the reason why I'm cutting is because I don't want to overheat the motherboard. I don't want to overheat the motherboard. That's why I use cutter. See, I've cut it successfully. So I'll need to add this ronzin. We call it ronzin. If you have your thermal camera, it also works, but I prefer using ronzin. See now, the ronzin is very sensitive also. Now that segment is getting hot. Now let's see how we're able to detect the problem. Phone repair is a very easy work, but at times it's very difficult. It's very easy and it's very difficult. So all you just need to do is just be consistent and keep digging, keep learning every day. We learn and learn every day. So don't be shy if you're not able to solve a problem. Don't be too ashamed if you're not able to solve a problem. There will be a chance you're able to solve it next time. So when I try to connect the connection, I discovered that this IC is getting heat up. It's getting hot. That is why it melts that ronzin. See, it's getting hot. So that is the problem. But that may not be the problem. It may be the capacitor that is the problem, or it may be the IC that is the problem. So now let's relax and watch very carefully. I need to reapply it very well to be sure if that IC is the one that is faulty. Is the one that is overheating. The name of that IC is the charging IC. The charging IC. So I have to try it again. Watch carefully. This is a VBAT, the positive side of the battery. Watch carefully. Yes. So I need to connect my 4.2 voltage from the. Okay, sorry, it's removed. Let me do it again. So I have to use 4.2 voltage from my DC power supply to the VBAT line, the positive side of the battery. Then see what happened. Watch carefully. Now see what happened. That IC is overheating, which is the charging IC. The charging IC is damaged. It's shorted to the ground. It's damaged. Yes, it's damaged. Now let's see what we can do to fix that. So after much, I have to remove the IC. Let's see where I remove it. I've removed the IC and I've put another new one. I have to get another IC and I'll put it. Now Hola is working perfectly well. Sorry, I was not able to show you all the procedure. I was occupied. I forgot to even record it. Sorry for that. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you have any question, do well to ask. Love you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. Bye for now. Thank you.